Viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a Subzi with Chivdi. This is a seasonal leafy vegetable. During rainy season you won't get it. During summer you will get this. I have chopped and kept here 2 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli, 2 garlic cloves, turmeric powder, salt you require, mustard seeds and cumin seed for tempering, and a handful of moong dal soaked. 2 teaspoon of oil I have taken. It's hot. We'll add the tempering item. When it crackles, add the green chilli and garlic cloves. Now add the onion. Saute this till it is soft. Onion is done. Now we'll add the vegetable in it. The moong dal soaked. This is cooked nicely. I'll add half teaspoon of sugar in it and little grated coconut. The Chivdi sabji is ready to serve. You can serve it along with chapati, roti, rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.